And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a misregistration glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. What we need is a simple image to start with. I'm going to copy that pressing Ctrl J, and I'm going to turn it into a smart object, so right click, convert to smart object. Now we need the channel mixer. I'll go to Image, Adjustments, and add the channel mixer. We'll keep it for now. So just press OK. We need 2 copies of that, press Ctrl J 2 times. And let me rename them to red, green and blue. And now we double click on the channel mixer icon and we turn down the source channels for the output channels so that we only have the blue channel at 100% for the blue layer, the red for the red layer and the green for the green layer. So turn off the other 2. Just set the source channel to 0, switch the output channel and keep the one that fits the layer by name. Now select them all and then use the blending mode lighten, and we've got the original image back. So this is what the RGB channel does. Now we've just split it into 3 different layers and we want to add a wave effect to the first one. So filter, distort wave. The number of generators should be quite low, wavelength should be high, but amplitude and scale should be low again. You can see that in the preview window, if we turn the amplitude and the scale too high, the effect becomes very abstract. It's a little bit exaggerated. That's a fine value, we'll stick to that. I'll give the second layer a wave as well. You can use different values here, or just keep them, press OK. You can add a wave effect to the last one as well with different values. If you keep the same one, you've got the original image back, so keep that in mind. I don't want to give it a wave. In this example, the first 2 layers with the wave effect is fine. And this is how you can recreate this glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.